Hi guys, welcome to MathMath. Today, I'll be going through the MathMath Challenge question 1. So we have the question, prove this identity tangent 2x plus cotangent x equals cotangent x secant 2x. For this type of proving questions, one tip is to always begin with the side that is more complicated. But for this question, both sides look roughly the same, so I'm going to start with the left-hand side. First, I will apply the double angle formula on tangent 2x, and we should get 2 tangent x over 1 minus tangent square x. As for cotangent x, we will convert it to cosine x over sine x. As we can see that the right hand side comprises of two identities multiplied together, our next step is to combine these two fractions on the left hand side into one by making their denominators the same. Next, we multiply the cosine x with 1 minus tangent square x to get cosine x minus sine x tangent x. As for the denominator, we don't expand it as we cannot simplify sine x times tangent square x. Instead, we convert the tangent square x to sine square x over cosine square x. We then use the 2 sine x tangent x to minus the sine x tangent x to get sine x tangent x plus cosine x at the numerator. To get rid of the cosine square x, we multiply cosine square x with the numerator and the denominator. We will arrive at sine square x cosine x plus cosine cube x over sine x times cosine square x minus sine square x. If we were to expand the right hand side a little, we will get cosine x over sine x times 1 over cosine 2x. Thus, we proceed to factorize cosine x in the numerator and we'll realize that we will obtain sine square x plus cosine square x, which is equals to 1. As for the denominator, we know that we want the sine x and we should expect cosine 2x as well. Using the double angle formula, we know that cosine square x minus sine square x is equals to cosine 2x. Thus, we split this into two fractions multiplying each other and we will arrive at the answer on the right hand side. If you were able to solve this question, great job, but don't worry if you did not get it on the first try. This question is indeed challenging. Understand the working and give it a try again. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below and stay tuned for the next challenge. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more math tips.